Peptides won't work if you're doing this. Peptides are being marketed as the new Botox. But if peptides alone could fix your skin, you wouldn't be struggling with wrinkles, sagging, or inflammation. Today I'm breaking down what peptides actually do, why they work, and the one reason they stop working for most people. If you're new here, I'm Samantha Dench, a licensed esthetician and functional medicine practitioner. I don't just talk about what's trending. I talk about what actually changes the skin long term. Peptides are powerful, but they only work when they're used correctly and supported properly. What are peptides? Peptides are short chains of amino acids, which are the building blocks of your cells. Peptides strengthen collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep your skin firm, plump, and youthful. Think of peptides as your messengers. They communicate with your skin cells and tell them what to do, whether that's producing collagen, repairing damage, or improving elasticity. That's why peptides are so closely associated with smoother or firmer skin and visible anti-aging results. Not all peptides do the same thing. Some peptides signal collagen production. Some help relax facial muscles, which is why they're often compared to Botox. Some focus on skin repair, inflammation reduction, and preventing collagen breakdown. This is exactly why peptides have become one of the most talked about skincare ingredients 2 years in a row. Now here's the part of the conversation that most people skip, and this is really important. Peptides don't magically work just because you apply them consistently. If your diet is high in sugar and carbs, you are actively breaking down the collagen you're trying to rebuild. This process is called glycation. Glycation happens when sugar attaches to proteins, causing damage, and this accelerates the aging process. You may be spending good money on your peptide serums, but if your internal environment isn't healthy, you are undoing all of their benefits. You cannot out-serum a diet that's aging you. Because if you want your peptides to work, your body needs enough protein because peptides are amino acids. And when I say protein, I mean animal protein, not going to Starbucks and adding protein powder to your sugary drink. I mean specifically fatty red meat, which is a complete protein. Without adequate protein intake, your skin simply doesn't have the material it needs to rebuild, repair, and respond. And this is why skincare alone will not fix your skin issues. Another reason peptides fail is penetration. Peptides are larger molecules. If they're not formulated properly, they sit on the surface of your skin and do nothing. When formulated correctly, peptides are incredible for skin barrier repair, especially if you have dry, sensitive, or dehydrated skin, and for post-treatment recovery after peels, microneedling, or dermaplaning. But formulation matters. Which is better, peptides or retinol? Both of these ingredients do very different things. Retinol works at the surface level by increasing cell turnover. Peptides work deeper by signaling collagen and elastin production. These ingredients complement each other when used correctly. I recommend peptides in the morning and retinol at night, starting slowly with retinol, like 2 to 3 times a week, and increasing by 1 night every 3 to 4 weeks to avoid irritation, peeling, or skin sensitivity. I go deeper into peptides in this week's blog. That includes which peptides I recommend, how to use them, how to support them internally, and why formulation makes all the difference. The link to the blog is below. If this video helped you understand your skin better, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Healthy skin isn't about trends. It's about finding what works best for you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.